Double, baby.
Double.
Oh! Bro. Hey, I hate to be in that canoe. Woo! Alright guys, we're getting a workout in today. I bet you this video still doesn't give it justice to the views. What do you think so far, Nate? Hey, this is like your first legit overnight trip, right? Yeah, this is Nathan. This is my brother's first trip overnight on the river. Hey, he said go big or go home. He's going to the most remote place right now. It's nice. On this side of Mississippi. Yeah. Woo! Tell you what, guys. Whoever said kayak fishing was easy, they lied to you. Guys are on fire. Wind relentless. Current relentless. Come on. Rocks are super slick. Rocks are slick. Hey, but it's all gonna be worth it once we reach our destination. Mid-thigh walking through current for about 100 yards. It's not easy. It's not for the faint of heart. But let's get it though.
Got him!
Yeah! Double, baby!
Double.
Oh! Damn it! Hey, keep that one.
Keep him?
Yeah.
Alright, I don't know where should I put him.
Damn it, dude. How'd he get off? We're right here in the wild, guys. Meals don't come easily. And right there is a fish we're gonna keep to eat. Almost had doubles. Oh yeah! I saw him chase it down.
I should sneak back there. It looks like it pops out over there.
Up over there, right?
Yeah, it looks like it comes out way over there.
What do you think? It's too small, right?
Yeah.
Get out in that corner and come up. Nate! Hey, you got it? Grab the handle! That was a pretty good one. Damn, Brandon's just gonna haul that.
Got rid of him, bro. He's my mom.
Yeah.
Got 2 of us.
Woo!
You felt like that? Yeah. It'll be a lot more fun going down it than it is going up it.
Oh yeah. Hey, come over here on this side. Y'all are protected by that wall of grass. I'm about to look. It goes pretty freaking far. I think this is a dead end. Turn around. It's hella slick. Hey, you good? Hey, where are we gonna camp? That's all boulders. That was not worth it. We're looking for that big old slate rock. You gotta chop all that down. Dude, there's nowhere to camp. There's nowhere to camp.
I did not want to have to ride down this.
Yeah.
It's not rideable.
Hey, tell Nathan to hold on.
Hang on, now I want to go back down.
There ain't nowhere to camp. Huh?
It's better be worth it because at least half of us are flicking in the morning. Ain't no way we're riding those.
Yeah, that was insane. You good? Hey, he said there was an open slate right there. Look at that. There's no way you can camp there. Hey! When I get right there, if I get stuck, push me.
Here, look.
Oh yeah. Hey, watch out, I see it now.
You see it?
Yeah.
Hey, hold on. Hey, man, he's got a look in his face. Oh, shit.
Here goes nothing. Here we go. Oh yeah! Woo! Come on! Yeah. Let me help you. It just looked a lot worse. It looked bad. Hold on. I'm saying it looked a lot worse.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's battle?
Hey, just hang on to the front. Hey, lift the front that way.
Hold on, straighten my foot. Let's paddle.
Hey, don't break it. You see it? Damn. Hey, look at those leeches on your leg. What? For real? Hey!
Oh, dude, I took a different line, so I hit that rock when I went right. And I was like, got up sideways on that big ass. I was like,
Where's Brandon?
he made it. He was taking pictures.
Oh, okay.
Bro, I was like, hey, at the end, I was like a fight a mountain lion.
Oh my gosh. That shit was live.
Dude, the whole shit was like, all like, bro, all under my.
Dude, you said this went straight in. I hit the best line.
I was like, here it goes.
From you just ate? Where are you doing now? Take pictures of the part time
Not anywhere.
Clearances and I'm always like either like one certification short or way too overextended.
Hey! So you can throw it.
Can I throw it?
Oh.
Throw that.
Hey, clickbait, dude's littering.
No. Oh, yeah. A tent.
Straight through the tent.
All right, guys, we just set up tent. About to get some firewood. Blocked by this big old rock. Check that thing out. I'm 6'5" on a good day. And this rock is pretty big. That's what I say on my resume.
Wait, on your Instagram, 6'5", different breed.
Different breed. 6'5". We had an awesome day. Freaking, we worked for our meals. What?
My resume says I can cook minute rice in 15.
It was pouring. I'm drenched right now. There, you just stay straight. Don't let it turn you. Nate and I in here conserving our energy, not bumping them gums.
You're just talking to the camera, bumping their guns to the camera.
Bumping them gums all the time.